Aditya.
Aloo.
Aditya.
What he said. Here I have a plate of golgappa, and it is 5 golgappas for 10 rupees. And it's kind of like a fun snack which kind of refreshes you and tides you over. This puchka, this little thin crust with a juice or a sauce in it with some aloo, like a aloo paste or aloo chub. Part of the trick is to eat it like fast and continuous because then it gets a little soggy.
Very tasty.
Oh, very. Bahut acha. Something is good. Yes, bahut acha. So Banaras chaat. So this is Banaras chaat. I think it's like aloo fried mixed with some crushed puchka. I'm thinking a little bit of curd. This plate costs 20 rupees. There we go. Nice flavor of many things. Served hot, it's good. It's all veg. It's a little spicy. The red sauce on the side and the white one add to a little flavor. There's some chana in here, some chickpeas. So this one is very tasty, but it's spicy. It is a spicy one. So maybe you eat this one first and then have the golgappa afterwards. They will allow two-wheelers to go in though, to compete with the pedestrians, but outside of that is the rest of the traffic. Aloo chaat. 30 rupees both. Bottoms up.
आलू है, गोभी है, चिल्ली चटनी है, मीठी चटनी,
Muli.
छोले.
Yeah. Okay, so a lot of stuff. Like it's chaat, right? Mixed. You got savory, salty, sweet, all in one mouthful. Like tasting the world. And this is called dahi puri. This looks kind of like the aloo tikka chaat that I just had. Let's give it a twirl. Parsley, radish. I think there's like peanuts and there's something sweet. Maybe chutney, maybe aloo. The interesting thing that I forgot about India is that I was here shopping and I got this 7-Up to drink for 35 rupees and I gave him 40 rupees and he gave me 4 rupees and chewing gum as change. Now in India that happens. Sometimes when they are short a rupee, they'll substitute with a candy like for a rupee. That was actually like a funeral procession. Not something you would find every day on your trip to your sweet shop. Now the thing about India that I really love are the sweets. I love them. So in India, you'll often find like sweet shops. Sometimes they're just like shops, small shops, and sometimes they're a little larger and they have a whole lot more cool kind of sweets to sell. I got myself a package of a small assortment of sweets, which I love. And I think they charge me per piece. A lot of them are around 10 rupees, but like a couple are 14 rupees. Okay, so they're all types of ladus, and this is a pistachio dried fruit. Kya? What is it?
Is dry fruit mewa laddu.
Dry fruit
Mewa laddu.
mewa laddu. Okay, obviously you can see which ones are my favorite. It's the burfis.